Hi everyone, this is Ashish. I'm the CTO at bucuAI, and I thought this was the right time to hop on and just do a series of videos where we walk you through all the features of AssistGen. For those of you who have been with us the past year and a half, you've seen the product develop, and so much has changed. And I thought, good time to get everyone up to speed about what's changed. And for those who are joining us newly under trial and just playing around with the tool. We're so excited. Uh, I'm hoping this series of videos will be a reference point for you guys when you're trying to achieve something through AssistGen. You can fall back on these videos to see how a particular feature works, the nitty-gritties in and around of those features. And if at any point you have more questions, we are definitely available through our Discord server and our email ID, or you could just get in touch with whoever you've been in touch with from the team, either Chetan, Nikhil, me. Uh, yeah, so I'll jump right in. This should be the first screen that you see when you hit assistgen.buco.ai. There are a fair few sections to this that I will let you explore by yourself as to what you could do as an introduction to AssistGen. But immediately you have two options here. One is either to continue with Google or just play around. And what we're going to do for this video is just go through the layout of AssistGen to just understand what lies where. And then in the subsequent videos, we will go into each specific feature in detail. Okay. I recommend joining in with Google because most of the features have a better rate limit on Google. Just play around just gives you enough usage ability to understand what the feature does, but to really build out outcomes for your teams, outcomes for your creatives, outcomes for your designs, for your concepts and ideas, you would definitely need to log in through Gmail. So hopping right in to just play around now, I'll walk you through the layout. You'll have a quick welcome to AssistGen video. On the left hand corner, you will either see your Gmail account, or right now I've not logged into Gmail. I mean, just play around. So you'll see the mascot for bucuAI there, and a small badge indicating that you are part of the beta champion. You're of our beta program, our beta release. So you'll see the rules of our rate limits there as well. Jumping into the canvas, that is the main element of AssistGen. When you log in, that is the central screen. You can zoom in, zoom out. We have pre-populated it with a sketch slash image and already a prompt. So this allows you to get started with your first asset generation. You could just hit Reimagine and you would get an output something of this sorts. Right, I will go into the details of each and every other feature there, but once you generate an image, you essentially see what your sketch look like, what your render look like, and also the details of your renders and some actions that you could do with it. Okay, I'll hop back into the main canvas to show you the layout itself. First and foremost, when you are sketching, we have an ability to hide all the other tools that are AI related and just focus on your sketch over here. We'll go more into how to deal with the canvas, what you can do with the canvas in the canvas video itself. And the canvas has the image that is placed in your canvas right now. You will have all the elements that you have placed on the canvas and a bunch of canvas tools itself. I'll walk you through a detail of this in one of the later videos. We have something known as view perspectives. This allows you to change perspective if you have the front view of an image, switching views and generating different angles that you want for your particular object, or a view or your background or anything of that sorts. Right, we have a few more tools here, few of the image tools that have a bunch of AI features that allow you to edit and create better than just generating. We'd like to feel that these are what allow a lot more control, a lot more narrowing down into getting what you really want. We have a few immersion tools where we branch out from just images to give you product mockups, to give you showreels, to give you, 3D artifacts as well. We also have a feature called the parametric CAD, for you to start, bridging the gap from ideation to manufacturing as well come in. We have a tab called variants here. Variants basically allows you to work with your final renders, with the look, feel, and how you want to generate your final product or your environment. What is the color schemes you want to work around, themes you want to work around with. And these are the islands that you see on the side. Most of them are collapsible, and this is what you can work with. And in the center, right on top, you have Form and Reimagine, two tabs. They're two ways of dealing with image generation. I'll get into the details of Form versus Reimagine when you would use what in one of the upcoming videos. But under that will open up a narration box. So ideally, you are giving a bunch of inputs to our models, which and our tool that will help you kind of cater and give you an output. So one way of giving an input is your text, and this is where you would place your narration itself, like your entire prompt, as to speak. We have a few more features here as to what kind of things you want to do along with your narration. These are again multiple inputs. So all your inputs are either under the narration box or under your or on your canvas itself, right? So this is what will be your inputs to our tool and our models itself. And if you come down, you have something called AI research. This is your very own AI assistant in your journey of creation. You have a history tab that will show you everything that you have generated, and it has a short time to live. So make sure you also pin your history into what we would like to call the concept wall. So once you log in through Google, you will have a fair few more features. You have something called a concept wall where you can store all your ideas, project assets. We envision the concept wall to be a representation of a project, or an ongoing creation, or some particular abstract demarcation of one outcome that you're trying to achieve. We have scribble mode that kind of talks about what you want to, what kind of method of sketch that you're doing when you are using the canvas. And we also have a way to change the form of the canvas, the aspect ratio of the canvas over here. And if at any point you need any help, we have the right hand corner over here, which will open up all your support of product feedback and any kind of communication that you want to do directly with the team. We are always available via mail, and if you've already reached out to any one of us, don't hesitate to message us, don't hesitate to call us, and we will be there to help or discuss with you any potential need that is there that needs to be built out. So I think that's it for the intro/layout video. From the next video onwards, I will pick out a specific feature and then walk into how to use it and give you some examples and also share the nitty-gritties of it. So see you in the next video.